Hello everyone, welcome back to SKS Technical Life. If you are working with Node.js, sometimes you face a problem like a different project required a different Node version because some projects doesn't work with the latest version. So how to develop or manage a multiple Node version? The solution is NVM. Okay, in this video, I will explain what is NVM, why we use it, how to install it, and how it works in real project. So let's get started. So first of all, let me explain you what is NVM. NVM is stand for the Node Version Manager. Okay, it is a tool that allow you to install multiple Node versions, switch between versions easily, manage your development environment. Or in simple, we can say that NVM help you control Node version like switching app. Okay, so whenever you start creating a new project, it may need a different version. So if you install manually a node version, it may takes time and it may be problematic to install again and again and uninstall the version. So NVM is the best option to switching the version of the node. So why NVM is important? Let me explain you. Now you might think, why do we need NVM? Let's understand with a real example. Suppose a project A needs a node version 14 something and a project B needs node version 18 something. Okay, and without NVM, you can only install one version. Other project may break. Okay, so with NVM, install both version and switch anytime. So we are using that the NVM, and this is why NVM is very important for the developer working on a multiple project. So now next I will explain you how to install it in Windows. Okay, and I also explain for the Linux, and I guide for the Linux, and you can install it for the Linux. And for Windows I will show you how to install all the step-by-step process and show you the working of this, how to implement or how to change the Node.js version. So let's start. For downloading, first of all, you have to open any Chrome browser on your PC, and here you have to search an NVM Windows GitHub. Okay, and click enter, and you will see this first link. You have to click on this first link, and you will directly redirect it to the GitHub repo of NVM. And here you will see this page. You have to just scroll down, and you will see this option that is download now. So click on this download now button, and now here you will redirect on this page. You will see this page. You have to just scroll down, and you will see the assets list. Yes, here in contributors you will see this assets. Here are so many lists. You have to just click on this third option, that is nvm setup.exe. You have to click on this, and you will see the downloading is started. After completion of downloading, you have to just double click on the file, and it maybe comes to a pop-up for the allowing something, so you have to just accept or click yes. After that you will see this type of pop-up. So here you will see this, the you have to click on this check, that is I accept the agreement, and you have to click next, and you will see this is the path where the it install. So you don't have to change anything here, just click next, and after that you have to click next. Here the selected directory is not empty, please choose the, this is because of I already installed this NVM, it not be seen in your PC. So don't worry, you have to just click next, and you have to install. And if it comes this type of pop-up, if you get, so what you have to do, just simply you have to go to your control panel and program and features, and where you will see the node, any node version, you have to just uninstall it. Okay, any node application or anything related to Node.js, you have to just uninstall it. Okay, if you previously installed any node version, you have to just uninstall it, and again you have to install this NVM, so you can easily install it without any problem. Okay, after finishing of this, so now let me explain you how to install the different version of Node.js and how to use it. Okay, so for that you have to just open a terminal or a command prompt. So let me open my terminal. Yes, and now we check the first of all NVM version. Okay, so if the NVM version is showing, that's mean the NVM is completely installed without any trouble or problem. Okay, and if you're getting any problem, you can comment below, so I can help to solve you. Okay, so here you have to write a command, that is NVM minus v. V stand for the version. Okay, so here you will see the version is visible, that is 1.2.2. So that's mean the NVM is finally installed. Okay, completely installed. Now if you want to know the all versions of the Node.js, you can just write a command, that is NVM list available, and you have to click enter. After clicking enter, you will see the all the version of Node.js that are available. Okay, so these are the current version, and these are the LTS version, long term support versions, and the old version, and these are the all other versions. Okay, stable and unstable. So if you want to install, if you want to use the LTS to 4.14.1 version, so what you have to do, or any version if you want to use, so how to use it or how to install. So for this what you have to do, just 1 second, let me clear this all. And to install any version, what you have to write, just you have to write the nvm install. And if you want to install the LTS latest version, you can directly write this nvm install LTS and click enter. By this command you can you will install the latest version of the Node.js of LTS long term support version. Okay, it's downloading. And I also explain you, or I also show you the command for the installing a specific version of Node.js. Just wait to install completion of this. Then I will show you how to install the particular version of the Node.js. So yes, this is now completed. Now, if you use this version, this is only installation downloading is completed. But if you use this version, so what you have to do or implement that version, so what you have to do, just you have to write a command that is nvm use and version of the node. So 24 point, you can directly copy paste from there. Okay, and just you have to click enter. And it may be show for the permission or it need any permission, so you have to just allow them. And you will see the now you are now using node version 24.14.1 64-bit. That's mean this version is now currently you are using of node version. Okay, so now let me explain you how to install a customized, or what we can say, the particular version that you want. So how to install, so you have to just write a command same, that is nvm and install. And after that you have to just write a particular version of the node. So for example, let me again list of all the node version. Now let me, I need this version, particular this version. Okay, so what I do, just I have to copy, and here I write the command that is nvm install and the version. Okay, just you have to write this command that is nvm install and the particular version, and just click enter. It will installing and downloading start. You have to wait for some time. So you will see this, that's the downloading and installation is completed. So now for using this version, you have to just write an nvm use and that version. Okay, after clicking enter, it might be need any permission, so you have to just allow, and you will see that version is now available to use. Okay, so now you can easily use that version, these versions, and install it. And if you want to know which versions you are already installed, so you don't have to need to install again or download again, just you have to use it. So let me show you how to check all the downloaded versions that you previously downloaded. So for check the installed version, you have to write you have to use this command that is nvm list. Okay, so you will see the all the version that you installed. So you will see this, the all the version that you installed previously. Okay, and this is the version that is currently using. And if you want a different version want to use, so simply you have to just write a this command that is npm use and the version of the Node.js. Okay, so this is how to install the NVM and how to use it. So if you want to know how this is working in the project, how to implement in the project, I have already demonstrated this in my previous video. Okay, where I solved an error. Now for the Linux and a Mac user, if you are the user of Linux or Macs, so what you have to do, just you have to copy paste this command and you have to just click enter. It automatically install the NVM for your system. So this command I already given in the description. You can directly copy paste this command and run on your terminal. After that, click enter. The NVM will start installing. And after completion of this, the almost commands are similar that I explained for the Windows. how to check the version, how to check the list of the versions. So almost these all are same. If you are working with the Node.js, NVM is a must-have tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to SKS Technical Life. See you in the next video. And if you're getting any error or any problem, you are free to comment in the comment box. Thank you.